Well, hello there. How very nice to meet you. I'm Rasmus. I'm the founder of TrueROAS, and I'm going to show you how you can see if your ads are actually tracking. You can go into the ads manager and just see is there conversions. Here, TrueROAS is showing on top and Facebook is showing down here. And so if you can see conversions or assists, it's definitely tracking. So you're good. And also you can see down here, a lot of meta ads. If they are coming in like this, most likely it's not tracking properly. And we can just see that it's meta ads, but we cannot see exactly the ad. And what you need to do then is just go into the tracking settings and figure it out from in here. And here we load all your ads and show you how it's working. So you can see here, some of the ads don't have the tracking tag. And that is the issue here. Other than that, you can go into the help section. Also, here on the side says help, and you can get some help here and see is it connected? Do I need to integrate my meta ads and so on? And we do track. All you need to do in order to get tracking is to connect your store. So the rest is just to make it more like you want to see your Facebook ad spend and see the ROAS. But yeah, that's pretty much how to know if your store is tracking. You can also see here in the setup progress here, you can see fully connected and tracking, and this one's always here for you. So once you get started. So yeah, just let me know if you need any help. You can book a call with us and have an onboarding call if you need to get a little bit of more of a look around inside TrueROAS. Anyways, nice to meet you and nice to work with you. Looking forward to working with you. Talk to you later. Bye.